Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's go over the weekly analysis what Nikita discussed in her video on Saturday, and we'll go through what she has spoken in that video. Market is pretty much reacting to the way as she has said in that video, and let's try to see what can we gauge for the next 1 to 2 days. Now before we start the analysis, two things, okay? First thing is I would urge all of you to hit the like button. Let's keep a target of at least 500 likes for this video. We put in a lot of efforts for our YouTube channel, so I would expect us also to put the efforts, and I would expect you guys also to put the efforts just by hitting the like button. It's free. Okay, second thing, we are actually very happy to announce that we are going to do a workshop. Okay, it's going to be a 4-week mentorship program. Okay, we are slightly elongating the program, like earlier what we did usse zyada. Now what different things we are going to do in this? Basically there are some setups which are very new, jo humko, because we keep working, to humko new things we keep finding them. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is, okay, with the regime change, I would expect a lot of traders, I would say majority of them, they would really get along with the way we trade. Okay, so बहुत सारे traders है, they make damn good money. The problem is you can't copy them, or you can't mimic what they are trying to do. So our style, I would say, is very easy. That's the highlight of our style, I think. So we are going to do this program, 1-day workshop we are going to do in Ahmedabad, and after that we are going to do weekly live sessions, okay, for this thing. In case you're interested to enroll for the program, there's a link given which I'm going to put in the YouTube video description also. And I'm just going to tell you one thing about our program. It's something which people can actively start trading from right after the workshop. Okay, because many times I've been to multiple workshops, and the main thing, when I'm leaving the workshop, I've noticed a lot of people ask the questions, sir, whatever I've taught, that's awesome, that's in theory, that's good, just tell me tomorrow morning what to do, which means they are pretty blank कि कल सुबह उठ के क्या करना है इसके हिसाब से. I would say our workshop is damn good in that aspect. So you will know exactly how to play a bullish setup, exactly how to play a bearish setup. So even today, for example, one of our setups told us that it's going to be volatile. That's why we were away from it, and we didn't end up losing any money today. Okay, so the program is most probably going to be held on 16th of November in Ahmedabad. Okay, we are coming first time to Ahmedabad. So if you like us and if you're from Ahmedabad, you can consider subscribing. Okay, let's start with the weekly analysis. Now first thing is, Nikita said in her video that she's expecting some sort of support near 57.50. So what she has done, she's posted on Twitter as well. This channel, okay, this broke out on the upside. It's come to retest that channel on the weekly time frame. Okay, so that's what we have done. So what we did, Nikita told you a few days ago, we added the first tranche of a Nifty Beast sort of thing. Okay, whatever investment you want to do, you can consider dividing it into 5 to 10 parts. And so far we've invested 2 tranches, okay, of them. So today at this low, we have done it because of this trend line support here. Okay, so this is I'm just updating you that. Now let's talk about today's market. So आज के मार्केट में क्या हुआ, कल के क्लोजिंग से अभी हम देखो 983 पॉइंट्स गिरे हैं. तो आज एक बहुत अच्छा बेरिश डे था. ओके, इसमें डे एंड पे तो दिखेगा बेरिश डे, पर उसमें इंट्राडे मुझे पता है कि कॉल साइड पे जो 2 बार स्पाइक आया है वो कितने डेडली है. तो आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ इंट्राडे ट्रेडर्स, दे डेफिनेटली वुड बी इन रेड टुडे. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट बीन इन रेड टुडे, डैम गुड जॉब आई वुड से. अब एक्चुअली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस कहां है. ओके, सो ये देखो, ये निकिता ने आपको बताया था उसके वीडियो में कि प्रीवियस मंथ का जो लो है, ओके, दिस इज 5750 सॉर्ट ऑफ का लेवल है जो ये, ओके, 5369 अभी है ये. एग्जैक्टली वहां से वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सपोर्ट बिकॉज दिस इज प्रीवियस मंथ लो. अगर कोई रैंडम लेवल होता तो प्रॉब्ली वी वुड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दिस, बट ये लास्ट मंथ जहां से अप मूव चालू हुआ है ना, ये एग्जैक्टली मार्केट हैज कम देयर, तो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम सॉर्ट ऑफ बाउंस. ओके, दैट्स द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. अब व्हाट अबाउट रेजिस्टेंस? ओके, आई वुड प्रेफर नॉट टू टॉक अबाउट एनी रेजिस्टेंस बिकॉज डेली इट इज गोइंग डाउन. ओके, सो व्हाट वील डू, वील एक्चुअली वेट फॉर वन ग्रीन कैंडल टू फॉर्म. ठीक है, उसके बाद वील ट्राई टू प्लान फॉर लॉन्ग. नाउ फॉर टुमारो, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द bias? Okay, so check today's candle. It's a very big candle. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या होता है, many times very high chances of tomorrow being an inside candle day if there's a gap up. Okay, so I would expect this kind of a candle अगर gap up होता है तो so it will try to take your SLs in the call side, then it will try to take your SLs on the put side, and sort of that kind of a volatile session होगा. Okay, तो निकी ने उसके वीडियो में क्या प्रिडिक्ट किया है, उसने प्रिडिक्ट इन द सेंस एनालाइज, उसका एनालिसिस है मार्केट विल बी रेंज बाउंड बिग रेंज में. ठीक है, सो डायरेक्शनल लोगों के लिए आई डोंट थिंक अभी मार्केट विल बी देयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 days. नाउ वन थिंग आई वांट टू अलर्ट यू एट, वेडनेसडे को 10 AM देयर इज RBI पॉलिसी. See, this is Sensible's economic calendar, 9th October, Wednesday, 10 AM. RBI interest rate decision. So the impact is going to be very high इसका. ठीक है, तो अगर मतलब ये एक्सपेक्टेशन से ऊपर या नीचे आएगा तो मार्केट कैन रिएक्ट वाइल्डली. सो ट्राई टू नॉट हैव वेरी अग्रेसिव पोजीशंस ओवरनाइट टुमारो. ट्राई टू ऑलवेज टेक अ ट्रेड आफ्टर द इवेंट हैज फिनिश्ड. नाउ सी, बिकॉज द मार्केट हैज कम डाउन, नो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी अ सरप्राइज इवन इफ इट मेक्स अ बिग अप मूव. The problem is what? Okay, in this up move, if you shorted calls, you might end up losing a lot of money, which means we need some kind of risk management to prevent us from being stupid, okay, tomorrow. So यहाँ पे एक simple rule लाओ आप, if always you are taking 0.5% less sales, okay, आपका max है, कल उसको 0.25 कर दो call side पे especially, ठीक है. तो call side पे be determined not to lose a lot of money on the call side, because ठीक है ये inside candle तो रहेगा ये, पर volatility बहुत high होगी if it gaps. Now conversely, what am I going to expect if the market gaps down open? ठीक है, तो first thing तो there's a support here also, mini support, ठीक है. Talking about support is useless because हर support को तोड़ रहा है वो, but फिर भी if it gaps down, I would expect an uptrending day then, okay, especially first 15 minutes candle के high के ऊपर if it crosses that, I would expect a big green candle sort of day, अगर gap down हुआ तो, ठीक है. तो gap up पे our view is inside candle का, gap down पे our view is big green candle sort of bias. Flat के लिए what are you going to do? Flat के लिए I would say be very cautious in flat, ठीक है, because market if it opens this range, so what you're going to do, it can go down and up easily, because down why easily, because there's that war का situation also, ठीक है. up क्यों easily, because it has fallen a lot already, so it is going to be tricky अगर flat खुलता है तो. What I'll do, if it opens flat, automatically I will trade with reduced risk for tomorrow. So then what you can do, probably you can mark the first 15 minute high low range, then try to take a trade on the upside and so on. अगर और भी safe रहना है तो first 30 minute का range mark कर दो और उसके ऊपर नीचे खेलो. Now one more thing I wanted to add, you see this India VIX chart, okay, it's constantly been rising. So today also it was up by 6.75%. So what I would expect, particularly if it goes up, I would expect an awesome decay in triangles. This is what I would think, because ऊपर जाएगा ना तो especially जिन्होंने call बेचे है, because the VIX will also fall, there's going to be an awesome decay. Especially if you avoid the first spike in the calls, then after that I think slightly easier it will be the day. ठीक है, so keep an eye up in India VIX. अगर gap up खुलता है तो आपको potentially it can be an awesome day for non-directional traders. अभी इसमें caution क्या देना है मुझे एक चीज के लिए I want to warn you guys, okay? So for example, see, this is an M pattern, okay, so this is a very good sell, correct, but now shorting here is different and shorting here is different, okay, so I would really caution all of you, अभी fresh short अभी मत करो मेरे हिसाब से, वो भी aggressive वाले, because what will happen, one reversal and you will give up a huge chunk of your gains. I would not advise you. In fact मेरे हिसाब से थोड़ा कम बना ये वीक तो ही अच्छा है. Main problem मैंने जो देखा है retailers में, what they do, they buy here, they sell here. Now they should be selling somewhere here near the top and buying here. तो वहां भी यहाँ पे सेल करेंगे वो, एंड दे माइट लूज देन इन स्पाइक्स. मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि इसके नीचे मार्केट जा नहीं सकता, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इवन इफ थोड़ा सा ऊपर अगर मार्केट आया ना, वो इतना वायलेंटली आता है मार्केट ऊपर कि यू विल बुक अ वेरी बिग लॉस इन कॉल्स. सो ट्राई टू बी वेरी कॉशियस उसमें. नाउ लेट्स कवर निफ्टी. ओके, निफ्टी मंथली चार्ट हैव ओपनड, सो एग्जैक्टली लास्ट मंथ के लो के उधर वहां इट्स ट्रेड. सो व्हाट विल बी अ हॉरिबल थिंग फॉर निफ्टी? हॉरिबल थिंग वुड बी क्लोजिंग बिलो प्रीवियस मंथ्स, देन इट विल ओपन अप द गेट्स फॉर अ डाउन मूव. ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए लेट्स सी इसके नीचे जाता है कि नहीं. वो यहाँ से थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट if it comes, it's good for us. नीचे आया also it's good because then we'll get to invest. Okay, because हमने investment नहीं किया है. So in Nifty also, Nikita had said, see this last month's low, okay, 24,750. I think I mixed this level up with the Bank Nifty level. So 24,750 का जो level है, she said you can get a support from here. Exactly from there, market has tried to go up. Okay, and she said कि it will be contracting in a big range in this week. Okay, so let's see if this works out or not. Same thing in Nifty. If it opens gap up, I would expect an inside candle sort of day. Okay, and if it opens gap down, okay, especially somewhere like this, I would expect a recovery and a closing green में. Okay, that's what I would expect. Now if it's opening flat and if it's going up, then India VIX should crash and as a result triangle should work. Okay, so flat खुल के नीचे जा रहा है तो I think cautiously trade करना चाहिए आप. So on the 15-minute time frame, this is a very good resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, so resistance means इसके ऊपर अगर गया तो then you can start to consider going long in Nifty. इसके पहले नहीं जा सकते हो. Okay, long means like proper aggressive bullish अगर जाना है तो इसके ऊपर ही जा सकते हो. Same thing on 15 minutes in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, यहाँ पे it's clearly a resistance. Okay, so if market closes above this, resistance will turn into a support. What we want market to go and close above this. Okay, so closing अगर इसके ऊपर आ गई तो what we can do, target these swing lows for put selling position. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने पूरा गेम प्लान दिया है आपको. It's a long video, slightly थोड़ा सा. I have covered what Nikita did. I have covered tomorrow के लिए what is the bias, gap up inside candle, gap down up move. And sideways day में try to limit the loss scenario for the day. Okay, so let's try to see if this works. Okay, whatever questions you ask today in the comment section, I will try to cover them tomorrow in my video. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I think I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. And just again a reminder, don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, see ya.